Hello, my friends. We're going to the amusement park today. Let's ride, play, and sing the ABCs. Come have fun with me. Letter A like arcade. Letter B like bumper cars. Letter C like climbing wall. Letter D like drop tower. Letter E like escape room. Letter F like Ferris wheel. Letter G like go-karts. Letter H like haunted house. Letter I like ice skating.
Letter J like
Jumping castle.
Letter K like
Kiddie rides.
Letter L like
Laser tag. Letter M like merry-go-round. Letter N like net climbing. Letter O like obstacle course.
Letter P like pirate ship ride.
Letter Q like
Quick spin ride.
Letter R like
Roller coaster.
letter S like
Swing ride.
letter T like
Teacup ride.
letter U like underwater venture. Letter V like virtual reality ride. Letter W like water ride. Letter X like cellophane playground. Letter Y like yo-yo ride.
Letter Z like zipline.